All right, do you want to learn how I make all of my tomatoes start to turn red? Well, welcome to my kitchen. Let's do this. First up is going to be the mayhem in my window. I place my biggest, largest green tomatoes surrounded by tomatoes that were starting to turn red, and they are going to ripen. Also, another way I like to do it is I like to spread out the green tomatoes on my countertops and put red ones in between. Now, why would that work? Well, one of the reasons why it works so well is red tomatoes release a gas similar to apples. That's why you don't place other produce near apples. It will cause your fruit, like bananas, to ripen very quickly. So tomatoes and apples already produce a gas that causes them to ripen. So what I do is I just spread them all out together so that they're all kind of clumped together. You can do this also with a paper bag. You can do it in boxes with newspaper over the top. But this way I'm allowed to see if any of them are gonna start to rot that could spoil the rest of the bunch. This is my giant bin of cherry tomatoes, and some of them are already starting to ripen. There was only about 5 tomatoes in here that were ripe, and we're starting to get the other ones to turn. So if you have a ton of green tomatoes that you need to ripen, you can use a paper bag, roll it up and seal them in there, and then those gases will release and they will ripen over time. You can also use the box method where you lay them into a box, put newspaper over the top. That gas is gonna allow them to ripen. Or you can do my windowsill method and my countertop method where I just kind of spread the red ones in between all the green ones and allow them to ripen. As each one of these ripens, such as this one right here, I'm gonna core it, place it into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and put it into my freezer so that I can all the ripe ones at the exact same time.